How to use dual apps in iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use dual apps in your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's just jump right into it. First of all, head over to your App Store, and after you're on App Store, simply search for Dual Space. After you search for Dual Space, you will see this app right here. Now let me show you the app. So this is the space I'm talking about. Now this is called Parallel Space and you can use multiple apps here. So simply download this and open it up. After you open it up, here in the home page, you will be able to add apps. So tap on add app and choose the app that you want to add. So let's say I want to add Instagram or Facebook. Let me just add Instagram. Tap on continue, tap on add. Now as you can see right here, Instagram has been added. Now if I tap on Instagram, I will be able to log in into Instagram. Now simply type in your account details here and log in. And after you log in, you will be able to use your Instagram here. Now if I tap on add app, I will be able to just add more apps here and use multiple dual apps in my single iPhone. So yeah, that is basically how you do it, guys, and that is all for the video too. Thanks for watching.